tripod. Three-dimensional. There's a blue one again.
That's a top hat.
That was sweet.
Here's Christmas in July.
That looks cool on the cam. Those stripes coming up and then exploding like that. That looked cool as shit. She's probably scared. Lexi, honey. Come here, baby. Come here, princess. Princess, come here. Come here, princess. Come watch on my camera. Come watch on my phone, baby girl. Come here, sit on my lap and you can watch on my phone, okay, baby? Oh, you scared?
No, I don't have a friend.
You're right here with me, sweetie. You got a friend? You're right by me. Look, we're going to watch it on my camera phone. Oh, isn't that pretty? Is that pretty? You like that picture out there better, huh? That's pretty, huh? Mama's in line for the bathroom still, huh? It's oh, look at them pretties. Woo! Quit crying, sweetie. It's all right. Look at all them pretty fireworks. Wow, that's cool, huh? 40 minutes to go. 40 minutes to go.
It's going to be going on.
45-minute show they said on the fucking paper, so it's supposed to be good. Yeah, it'll be a good show, huh? Is it cool on my camera too? Ooh, pretties. Oh, look at them going up. Look at them. Oh, look at those loop circles. Those are nice. You don't like fireworks? Oh, when you was a baby? Yeah, a lot of babies get scared because of the loud booms that scares them. They're pretty now though, aren't they? You get used to it, huh? Man, that's gorgeous. I'm glad we came, baby. It's a nice show so far. I like that. They're putting on a good presentation with all of it. Laid it all the way across like they did and everything. I mean, look, they even got little stuff going off over in the back over there. Are they pretty?
Why do they make a spinning noise?
They make a spinning noise? That's an explosion noise that you hear.
Why are they still on fire when we go on the ground?
That's what they're supposed to. Well, they burn a long time. That's why. That way we can make sure we see them. Way up in the sky, it's harder to burn, so they got to burn really, really hot and really long, so that we can see them when they explode. Look at that. Got that on cam.
Why is the sky red?
Got it on cam. Got it on cam. It's hard to get all of it in.
Yeah.
We needed to be over by the DoubleTree, really, to get it in on my cam. I don't even think I'd be enough distance over at the DoubleTree, because look, they got the parachutes coming down again. Look at that. 4 sets. 4 sets of chutes coming down. Beautiful show tonight, guys. Beautiful show. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Just gorgeous. They'll be watching on Facebook tomorrow. Everybody will enjoy this video. Just remember, folks, my arm's getting tired. Is that pretty? Oh, is that Mama coming back? No, that's not Mama. Thought that might have been Mama. She's not back yet.
Is that a monkey?
Still waiting. It's a long line down there for the potty. I know I already waited in the line once. Right now I'm just barely getting the whole sky in. Barely.
We got lost.
Obviously. There's Mama. This will be posted to Facebook tomorrow, so watch the camera. Don't get too in the view. I'm barely able to get the whole view in. They're spreading it out so much across the water right now. It's
I've never seen them spread it that far.
no, never. They've done one shot over here and one off of here and gone over the top of the water, but I've never seen them do 3 spots over on this side of the bank. It's a hell of a show.
She was showing me, yeah, I missed it.
Hey, I'm video recording this. I've got an 8 gig hard drive on this. So I should be able to get the whole thing. It'll be posted to Facebook tomorrow.
She left you for Jasmine.
That's okay. She's starting to get hot. She was bawling. She was curled up in a ball over there, missing all of it. She said she didn't have any friend to sit with. She was sad. So I let her come sit on my lap and cup. We watched her a little bit on here and up there. And Jasmine got back. She's happy now. Hey! What are you doing, silly? Princess! Is that who you were waiting for? You just wanted Jasmine back, huh, silly? It'll be on the video. I was videotaping when she was come over crying and whatnot, so you'll hear it on the video.
Yeah.
My arm's getting tired holding this up. Susie Q. I thought it was Lexi at first glance. Yeah, they found something wrong with her. Mama was feeding her snack foods all day long instead of real food.
You're missing the race.
I know I'm missing the race. I'll see it Wednesday.